Sometimes nature puts some rather odd opponents against one another. The chimpanzee is one of the most intelligent of the apes. It is also one of the most ruthless. The tiger is the biggest of the big cats. The tiger has 3.5-inch canines, a bite force of 1,000 pounds and 3 to 4-inch retractable claws. It can weigh up to 700 pounds, weighing up to 150 pounds, and standing nearly 4 foot. The chimpanzee has the bite force of 500 to 1,000 pounds depending on the individual. The tiger is one of the deadliest animals on the planet. Along with its ability to climb and leap through the jungle, it's capable of positioning itself for some incredible ambushes. As with any confrontation, the outcome depends on the individuals involved. Varying size differences and timing would play a significant role. But for the most part, I would have to say the tiger wins this battle, being the bigger, stronger opponent.